Interested in the zoom capabilities of your Sony ZV-1 II? We will thoroughly explore all the zoom settings so you can make the most out of them. We're going to delve into the zoom settings on the Sony ZV-1 II and discover how these features can enhance your photos and videos. Sony ZV-1 II offers various zoom settings, including optical zoom, clear image zoom, and digital zoom. Let's see how to set and use them. Clear image zoom allows for enlarging the image without significant quality loss. Let's try this feature outdoors, zooming in on distant objects. Digital zoom can be used for extreme zooming, but be cautious about the loss of quality. Let's set it up through the same menu section by selecting Digital Zoom. When using zoom, it's important to consider lighting conditions and camera stabilization. Use a tripod for better stability when shooting at maximum zoom. Properly adjusted zoom can significantly expand your shooting capabilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.